Well, welcome back, everybody. Andrew Buckmichael back with another round of your weather bucket questions. I have some new questions to add to the bucket, so let's go ahead and grab these out of here. By the way, go to my Facebook page, look for this post pinned at the top, and you can ask your questions as well. So first question coming in here from D saying, good morning. How can it rain, thunder, lightning, hail, and snow all at the same time? So let's talk about first a thunderstorm. Here's an example of how hail forms in a thunderstorm. You need an updraft, that wind going up in the thunderstorm that lifts the hailstones above the freezing level. Then it drops below that as it gets heavier, and then the updraft lifts it back to the top, and you slowly get new ice rings to form on the outside of that hailstone. Now, the freezing level is pretty important. In the colder months, that freezing level in the thunderstorms is lower. So if you're really lucky, you might have some snow falling from the clouds that can still reach the ground before it has time to melt. Turbulent thunderstorms in the winter could also have some hail, lightning, thunder, also part of that. So Nancy asking the final question here, how about a cloud appreciation post? Love that. So clouds are named based off of their shape and also how high in the atmosphere they are. Cirrus clouds or cirroclouds are way high up in the atmosphere, alto's the middle layer, and then everything else is closer to the surface. Stratus clouds are gray clouds, cumulus are puffy clouds, and nimbus clouds are ones that produce rain or snow. So cumulonimbus, the bubbling thunderstorm clouds, brings us the rain. And then we have nimbostratus. Those are the clouds that you get just kind of on a gray day where you get rain outside or snow with those. But that sums up about 95% of the clouds that we typically see. Thanks to all the weather questions. Feel free to go ahead and add more to this post on my page, and we'll be sure to answer them the next round of Weather Bucket Questions.